Hello guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to browse in incognito mode, how to open up a new incognito window and use incognito mode within your Arc browser. Right, so if you're using Arc and you'd like to browse within incognito mode, this is the video for you. So once you're inside the Arc browser, guys, you want to click the icon on the upper left hand side that shows you the Arc icon. This will take you into settings. And here you will see new incognito window, right? You can also go ahead and press Ctrl Shift and N. That is going to open up the new incognito window as well. So all you have to do is just simply click on that and it will open up in incognito mode for you. And all you have to do now is just simply go ahead and type in whatever website you want. So let's say I want to go to YouTube. I can go to youtube.com and this will browse me in incognito mode. And that's how you easily do it, guys. And you can always see it as well that you're in incognito mode as well. If you look on the upper left hand side, you can see incognito. Rather than when I close out of this, you can see that it's not in incognito. And that's how you easily go ahead and open up a new incognito mode within your Arc browser. Thank you for watching, guys. Give this video a like if you find it useful. And I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to become part of this community. And also to help the channel to grow, which I greatly appreciate. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.